Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel YO22 Excel Chapter 1 Assessment Music. So prior description is you have an IR to the item help the over of the instruments details evaluate to the business and she want to know making the each school summary data for all students and is the type of statement rating to school, number of student of the rates per charges of school, the rate per charges, rental worksheets, and she would like to the come from a separate workbook and she would also like share workbook to the music school so that can update the number of each semester. So if you want to complete MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So we move to the main project step, and total step is 12. So step number one is start Excel download. Open the Excel file name Excel Chapter 7 Assessment Music. Your name will automatically be added to start of the file name and save the file to location where you are storing your data file. So go to the Excel worksheets and I have already downloaded the Excel file is Excel Chapter 7 Assessment Music. Question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is when a worksheet or group, what you do to one worksheet happen to the other worksheet in the group and group the value through mail worksheets and create a formula in a cell D5 to calculate the total charges for each instruments. Copy the formula through cell in D5 to D15. Group the value through mail worksheets, Excel worksheet, and group the value through mail worksheets. Group the value through mills worksheet and create a formula in a cell D5 to calculate the total charges for each instrument. Copy the formula through cell range D5 to D15. So select the cell is D5, type is equal to, and select the cell C5 multiplied by B5 and press enter. Next is copy the formula through cell range D5 to D15. Copy the formula D5 to D15. So question number 2 is a complete. Now we can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is with the worksheet still a group format a cell C5 to D16 with the accounting number format with the zero decimal places, no decimal places. The worksheets still a group format the cell C5 to D16. So copy the range, go to the Excel worksheet and paste the range, press enter. With the worksheet still group format the cell C5 to D16 with the accounting number format zero decimal places. Go to the home tabs and go to the number group. Click the accounting number format and no decimal places. The number and decimal places, no decimal places, and click OK. So question number 3 is a complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is entering a formula into group worksheets is a very efficient way to create a new data in a multiple worksheets and is the same as the entering data in a group worksheets in a cell B16 and D16 with the worksheet still group. Calculate the total number of students and total charges for the school. In the cell B16 and D16 with the worksheet still group and calculate the total number of the student and total charges for the school. In the cell B16 and D16. So select the cell is B16 and D16 with the worksheet still group the calculate total number of students and total charges of the school. Total number of students and total number of charges, total number of charges. So type is equal to and type the sum function and select the ranges B5 to B15, close bracket and press enter. So the result is 82 and D16 with the worksheet still group calculate the total number of students and total charges of the for the school. And select the cell is D16 and calculate the total number of student and total charges for the school. Total charges for the school. So type is equal to and type the sum function. And range is D5 to D15, close bracket and press enter. So the result is 26.045. So question number 4 is the complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is with the worksheet still a group, apply the total set style to cell range B60 to D60 and ungroup the worksheet. With the worksheet still a group the worksheet and apply the total cell style to the cell range B60 to D60 and group the worksheets. So copy the range B60 to D60, go to the Excel worksheet and go to the name box, press and paste the range, press enter. So select the range and apply the total cell style. So go to the home tabs and go to the go to the style group and apply the total cell style to the cell style and apply the uh, total cell style. Next is ungroup the worksheet and right click and click the ungroup the worksheet. So question number 5 is the complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is 3D reference law formula and function to use the data from a cell and cell range across the worksheets. On the summary worksheet, enter a 3D sum function in the cell B5 to B60 to calculate the total student for all four schools. On the summary worksheets, go to the Excel worksheet and go to the summary worksheet. Enter the 3D sum function in the cell B5 to B16 and calculate the student for all four schools. So select the B5 to enter the 3D sum function B5 to B16 to B16 3D worksheets and total student for all four B5 to B16. So type is equal to and enter the 3D sum function B5 to B16 calculate the total student for all school worksheet. Go to the valley and click the total 3D function B5 to B16 for total student for all worksheets. Press enter. B5 to B16, sorry. Go to the summary worksheets. Type is equal to the value to miss and B5 to B16. So type is equal to and sum value and press B5. So the result is 64 and B5 to B16. Copy the formula B5 to B16 and so question number for all school worksheet. So question number 6 is complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is to save yourself time based in the formatting the summary worksheet. Fill across the worksheet to copy the content and formatting of a cell range C5 to D15 mill worksheet to the summary worksheet. Copy the format only B60 to D60 and total the total charges column. To save the your worksheet, formatting summary worksheet and fill the across, copy the content formatting C5 to D50 in the mill worksheets. Copy the content and mill worksheet in the summary worksheets and the summary worksheet and copy the format only B60 to D60. Copy the range and paste the range, press enter and copy the format only. So go to the home tab and go to the editing group and cross worksheet and format only and click OK. And total the total charges column and total the total charges column. So question number 7 is a complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. I will guarantee you 90 or 95 plus grade for your assignments and exam, and I will guarantee your complete course and your 100% grades for complete course.